guys, it's Sabrina. I want to show you the Rolling Stones Harley-Davidson men's mashup t-shirts. If you're into classic, you're into vintage, these are the ones for you. I have a couple styles I want to showcase to you. We have the vintage green, really soft military green Rolling Stone shirt. Another style that I really like is the men's tank top. What's neat about this is that this is all that there is on it, nothing on the back, so it's nice and cool for summertime. This is another great white long sleeve. There's just a Rolling Stones hit on the pocket. Really nice subtle back there for you. Lastly, I want to just showcase one more shirt, the Harley-Davidson Rolling Stones speckled shirt. You have to come in and try it on to see it, but it is a really nice cut, really nice feel, and it looks great on. So come down before they sell out, and I'll see you then.